Hello, animal lovers. Welcome to Wishka with Cats. I'm Wishka. In this channel, you'll meet a big cat family and follow their adventures. Subscribe to see more of Narangi and friends.
It finally rained today, after such a long time. The last 2 weeks, the air was insanely polluted. Even we, who don't have any lung problems, kept coughing nonstop. Our eyes were burning, and you couldn't even take one deep breath. Everything felt so dusty and dead, like someone had sprinkled a layer of ash over the whole city. It was like our little city was stuck inside a tiny bubble, and someone just filled that bubble with cigarette smoke. A lot of people in the capital even died because of the pollution. When I was on my way to work, I noticed the rain had started. Around noon, it got a bit heavier. I used going to get some coffee as an excuse just to walk in the rain for a bit. If it were up to me, I would have stayed out there the whole time. I basically used up my entire monthly breathing quota just walking to work. I was so happy, just like everyone else in the city. I really hope the rain keeps coming. After work, I headed back home. When I got home, Fescal was waiting for me at the door, hungry as always.
او کی بود؟ کی بود؟ تو بودی؟ خوش نشدی؟ خوش نشدی؟ خدا چه دختری این ننی بکشیم عقب پول نمیخوای قدر 50 تومن دارم ها شوشویت داشت میرفت اون وری قره اینجا مام گوشه خنگول برو جلو خواستاش دومی نوچه دومشو دیدی؟ خوشگله دستاشو کثیف کرده آره جلی کرده قلوش بدم زیباترین قل دنیا چشش سبز داره آره قره توتون داره دونه های قیزشم بدیم خوش بیرم علف ناز داره توتون ناز داره لب داریم دلقیم ناز داریم خوشگل ممنون دارم اگه بره توتون ناز بزنم بره گوشتون سویمن
Fescal finished her food. And once she was full, she decided to show me something. And that something was the masterpiece she had created on the neighbor's car.
اینا چیه غره؟ اینا چه خبر بود؟ سلام دوخی چه خبر؟ بوس میدی؟
Fescal is super clean and soft all the time. She almost never gets dirty. But since it rained today, her paws got muddy. And once her tummy was full, she immediately started cleaning her paws.
چه خبر ماما؟ آره دختر تمیزیه نگاه نکنیم دستش خیلی شده خیلی تمیزه آره فسقه گردن کلفت ماما میشه من برم ماما اجازه میدی؟ قربونش برم مورد علاقه تن کلیکای دنیا
After that, I went to feed Panda. And today I had a few extra hungry guests too. The crows also showed up. Who's behind me? It's honestly hard to throw food and film at the same time. First, we give some to Panda, then it's the crow's turn. All his friends left, but he stayed. And these ones also came behind me. Sometimes Panda doesn't finish all her food. She leaves a bit so the crows come, then pretends she's hunting them. These two are waiting for their turn. And there's another one behind me, I can hear him. After Panda got full, she came back to supervise my work, just to make sure I don't forget to feed her kids or give them less. Even though her babies are grown now, she still watches over them. I really hope I can get Panda spayed before spring. I tossed a piece for Narenji and Asal. Narenji just stared from afar. I think he didn't want his little paws to get wet.